Today, we're going to talk about the one hidden benefit of outsourcing that people are not talking about. So when it comes to outsourcing, there's a lot of benefits. A lot of companies, a lot of stakeholders, a lot of founders realize that. But some of the typical listed outsourcing benefits are low cost destination, available talent pool, flexibility, and they're all valid. But one thing I wanted to talk about today is another benefit. Let's say you are a SaaS company or a SaaS startup. Generally speaking, in today's software development world, when you build software, there's not like a single person that builds everything end to end, right? The same person who does the front end, who does the back end, who does the database, who does the system orchestration, who does the test, the engineering, who does the DevOps, right? So these are all functions within a software development team, and it's not one person who does them all. The software development process has grown in complexity that it has prompted for specialization. So you want to be specialized, you want to be very good at what you do, but you focus on a subset of software development. And usually if you hire a developer or a small team of developers, they will be good at front end, and they'll be good at back end, but they will not be good at cloud computing or DevOps or any of that. You may have as many stacks as you have people maybe originally, or you may have a developer who's good at two subtasks, but you will not be able to cover it all. Especially if you're a young startup or if you're a technical founder who is looking to make their first hires. You might be specialized in machine learning. There's a lot of startups in that space, or AR or VR. Again, a lot of startup in that space, or Solidity if you go on the crypto side of things. But you might need someone who does just good old like JavaScript or React or Angular. And you might not have that skill set, or you might need to learn that, which will require time, or you might need someone who's has expertise in that, who has worked in that area for a number of years. This very interesting LinkedIn post, which was this one. So it's like, dear recruiter, if you're looking for Java, Python, PHP, React, Angular, Postgres, AWS, as test-driven development, you're not looking for a full stack developer. So there's no developer who embodies or has all of these skills and is good at them at the same time. So you're not looking for a full stack developer, you're looking for an entire IT department. When you say, oh, I need someone full stack, what you're really saying is you need like a full functioning team that covers all of these responsibilities. And in the beginning, you try to do it with the resources you have, with 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 developers that you have. But as your team grows, as the product grows, you need to add these specialty functions to your team to make your team successful. That's what outsourcing is really good at, not just being cheap, but it's also looking at different skill sets that you're missing from your current stack and kind of supplying that into your team and making your team kind of more complete as a result. So yeah, that's the one hidden outsourcing benefit cost. Well, not so hidden now, but definitely something to keep in mind if you're thinking of just working with a software development agency, going from a single stack or 1 or 2 stacks to a multiple or a variable stack organization. Definitely outsourcing might be an option for you.